p.m. I spent lots of afternoons recording in my home studio, which outside sounds should not make it inside the house. Proceed to hear with how my friends at Northwest Exteriors are helping. They are a Gold Star Anlin window dealer, have been for decades. And those Anlin Del Mar windows have sound suppression technology. They're double locking and sun protective, so you can leave the blinds and drapes drawn into summer without having to worry about your furniture fading. Whether it's noise cancellation, sun protection, or just saving money on energy bills, upgrading to Anlin windows with Northwest Exteriors will insulate your home beautifully. Call Northwest Exteriors today at 888-TRUST-NW. That's 888-TRUST-NW. And for a limited time, they're paying the sales tax when you upgrade to new energy-efficient windows. TrustNorthwest.com. Simply the best. Trust Northwest. An evening with Starlight Line. Starlight Line. Live in concert. Sacramento. Playing a career-spanning full-band electric set and an extended mixed-set acoustic performance. The venue at Thunder Valley, Friday, April 14th, 8 p.m. All new and all incredible. The venue at Thunder Valley. Tickets, visit ThunderValleyResort.com.
Live everywhere on the iHeartRadio app. KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio. From the City of Angels, this is Coast to Coast AM with George Noory.
In June 24th, 1947, American aviator Kenneth Arnold was flying his plane over Mount Grenier in Washington. He claimed to have seen 9 unusual objects flying in tandem near that mountain, and hence history began. The term flying saucers was created, and Kenneth Arnold became a household word. In a moment, his granddaughter joins us. Chanel Shantz joins us to talk about his latest work, The Coming of the Saucers. It was a book that Kenneth Arnold wrote, and with Ray Palmer back years ago, she has republished it. We're going to talk about the incredible story of Kenneth Arnold in a moment on Coast to Coast AM. Sea Crane has one of the best ways to help you be prepared for those occasional extreme weather conditions that can knock out the power to you. The CC Skywave radio sounds that alarm when NOAA Weather issues an alert and lets you know that something's going on. The alert can warn you in advance of an impending problem. It also receives AM and FM and is built for great reception and clear audio. The CC Skywave also makes an excellent pocket-sized travel radio. It covers shortwave in the aviation band for travel, which lets you listen to nearby pilots and air traffic controllers. Runs up to 70 hours on a couple AA batteries. Call Sea Crane now to order the CC Skywave radio at 1-800-522-8863. That's 1-800-522-8863, or visit them online at seacrane.com. Also available at REI and Weimar locations and Amazon.com.
Real people, real stories.
Well, I had an appointment with the surgeon, and he was told me what all he was going to do, and it was just absolutely horrendous. I came home, I started on Carnivora, and I called and canceled my surgery, and she said, "Are you going someplace else?" I said, "No, I'm taking care of it myself." She said, "Okay," and my problem on my skin went away. I appreciate it. 2 weeks after I was on the Carnivora, I noticed, I'm looking at my arms, and I said, gee, I don't have any bruises on my arms, and I'm always full of bruises. I can't put my finger on it, but I know something's happening. I have to tell you, that has to be a carnivore.
That's 866-836-8735. Or visit carnivore.com. That's carnivora.com. Coupon code George to get 15% off your order.
And welcome back to Coast. George Norrie with your special guest, Chanel Shantz, is the granddaughter of Kenneth Arnold. Now, he's the first pilot of the modern UFO era to experience a sighting of 9 flying saucers over Mount Rainier in Washington on June 24th, 1947. Chanel is a prolific writer, philosopher, believing in the omnism, that there is truth in all religions. She has an associate's degree in philosophy from the College of Western Idaho, and also has republished her grandfather's incredible book, The Coming of the Saucer. Chanel, welcome. I'm looking forward to this discussion with you.
Hello, George. It's an honor and a privilege to be a guest on Coast to Coast. It was so wonderful to meet you at the Egyptian Theater 9 years ago now.
That's right. Long time. Time goes by, right?
It does.
Was it your mother who was the daughter of Kenneth Arnold?
Yes, my mother inherited the estate, and just recently she's deciding to share it with me since I've been a speaker on his behalf. There's a festival in Chehalis, Washington, where he took off for his historic sighting of the 9 flying saucers. They have a festival every September, and it benefits the museum there, the Lewis County Museum, and it's dedicated to Kenneth Arnold's